Don't taste it yet.
I got it. It feels fine. This one is really squishy than this one. Okay. It's more squishier. And it has more salt than this.
Okay. What's up, people? And next stop, Mabit na. Pag-asawa na pasagdanan. Batong ka ba?
Move, kuya.
I know stuff.
Alright, hello there, people. Welcome to Bitokbitok University. So, we're trying. So every week na ako isa ka episode with the Bitokbitok kids and na yung mga challenge, awat lang ko tagod sa layang pagkalagtod. So medyo nadugay mi kay nagkuha mi og food Jollibee and McDo. So fries sa Jollibee, fries sa Jollibee, fries sa McDo. I mean chicken sa McDo, chicken sa Jollibee. Okay? So, this is, what's your name?
Rusty.
This is?
Paper.
And this is?
Ella.
Okay. So, this is not sponsored.
Yeah.
So first, okay, so Rusty first, eldest first. You smell the chicken, which is, or
Smells.
try to get the other one. You can smell it also.
Smell this. This is more.
Huh?
This is more smell than this. This one.
Smells delicious, the chicken. I think the fries are just the same, no?
Yeah.
This one, yeah, it's fine. This one is more paler than this. This has more smell.
Okay. Raber, smell the chicken according to smell, which is more smells yummier.
Stop. According to you.
It's more better. Smell this.
You're spelling the french fries. That one's more smellier.
So you guys are the same?
Yeah,
No, the chicken. The
The
chicken.
chicken are the same, but the french fries no.
Oh, the smell. You like the smell?
Yeah.
How about that? This is
I don't know.
Ella, try to smell. This is you think smells
It smells of the chicken.
chicken. Yeah.
Smell that. Then this one. Smell this. Okay, which do you like most?
This one or this one?
This one, yours.
It smells good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next one is the French fries.
What one?
Which is better? Which is better?
This one. Okay.
The
Yeah.
chicken. This one has more crumbs than this.
What?
This one.
Like these tiny things.
This has more skin.
So what do you want? The more skin or
This one looks real good, but I don't feel about this. So I bet this one
that one?
feels more tastier.
About your Raber? According
Yummy
to
also French fries.
the French fries.
Okay, French fries.
Don't taste it yet.
I got it. It feels fine. This one is really squishy than this one. It's more squishier. And it has more salt than this.
Okay.
Which is better?
Raber.
I bet this is much more better.
Raber according to the the color,
The heat.
So crispy.
crispy.
This one.
It's like more thinner.
Thinner.
Yeah,
Which
it
is
is.
for you, which is more
This
better. Huh?
Okay.
Jollibee.
This one? You think that's Jollibee?
I think maybe.
How about you? How about the fries?
Fries. Which one? This one is hard. But
Okay, it's good. Oh, I like this one better. It's more squishy.
Okay. How about you, Ella? The way
this chicken.
just compare the color.
Compare the color.
The color, which is do you think is more yummy?
This one.
That one compared to the other one.
Try this. Touch it. Which one is better? This one or that one?
This one.
That one.
Okay,
Okay.
next one is this. The fries.
Not the smell.
Okay, okay, try this one. Okay, which do you think you like more? This or this?
I think I like
This one. All of us have the same.
Alright.
Oh, this one. This one. This more crispy.
More crispy?
This one here. Okay. This one.
You just broke it.
This one. This more crispier.
Raber. So get one chicken.
Yeah, this one.
And the
How about
fries.
you, Ella?
Fries,
Yeah,
fries.
Not yet, Manako. This one.
Okay.
Crispier?
No, it's just like more soft.
So which more would you like?
This is more crispy.
Okay. How about you, Ella? Try to
Peel off this
Peel
one.
the skin.
Peel a little bit.
and then try it.
Ooh.
Oh, the other one.
The
Try.
other one. Try to peel off a little bit. Okay, which one do you like most?
This one.
That one. Okay, the
Alright.
French fries. Which one is crispier? Open it. You break it. Okay, this one. Just one. This
I
one.
want this one.
This one.
Okay.
This one.
Then try to bite. Wait. Try to bite. Okay, go.
This one. Where's my oil?
Ooh. I want French fries.
Hard. It's hard.
Here's the French fries. Not yet, not yet.
I prefer this
It's more
one.
juicy. Which is more juicy?
This one.
This one. Okay. French fries.
Hey, only one. One only. What does it taste like?
This is crispy. Try this. Okay.
What is it?
It's more tastier.
My turn.
Okay. Raber.
Chicken.
Raber.
That's the bit. I don't have the drumstick. That's the this one. No,
That one.
I'll do this.
that's mine.
It's okay.
Taste it.
And this
The other one.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. What this?
Which is more tastier. That one. Still.
French fries.
Wow. I know.
That's the.
Tastier one.
Ella, taste the chicken. It's a
Taste
better
this
chicken.
one.
Taste
Now
it.
I know.
This one. Sige, go. Which is more yummy.
And this one, bite.
Where?
Which is?
It's okay, darling. Later.
Try this one. Okay, which one is better? This one or this one?
I like this one.
Okay, the French fries. Your favorite part. Which one is tastier?
Wait, I'm still eating chicken. It's okay.
Okay, get this. Bite. Okay, this one. Which one is better?
It's better. That one. Okay.
I'm suspecting this is Jollibee and this is McDo.
How about your Raber?
Same, as I remember this one being in the Jollibee. Since
So-
like in Monday, we went here, we went to Jollibee. We saw one of this. This is McDo, this is Jollibee.
This one is Jollibee. And this one is the McDo.
I admit Jollibee is not sure better.
Yeah.
Jollibee.
So, is this better? Do you think?
Jollibee.
Raybar?
Jollibee.
You?
But yeah.
She likes it. And now
Alright.
can we eat?
Alright.
I'm so hungry.
There you go. According to the Bitokbitok kids.
I did not try the gravy.
Yeah, they want, but both of yummy, but ato lang i-compare with say mas lami, so they still choose Jollibee.
But elegant. Elegant. Let's go.
Yeah. So, that's it guys. Kung na may gusto ipa-challenge sa MOA, comment below. Alright? This is every week, once a week. Okay? Alright, let's eat guys. Bye!